Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's KK here and I'm so excited for today's video. I received a gorgeous package from the Washi Tape Shop. They have kindly gifted me a beautiful selection of both PET tapes and washi tapes, and some of them are brand new release. So today we're gonna unbox them together, take a closer look at each design, and then create some beautiful journal pages with them. Also, I do have a special discount code, so don't forget to use KKStay10 to get 10% off your order. If you haven't checked them out yet, I highly recommend it. Their collection is absolutely stunning and they offer most designs in both PET and washi versions. Alright, let's get into unboxing. All the tapes come beautifully wrapped in the soft pink paper, and each roll has a round label on either end. One has the design printed and the other states the name, material type, whether it's washi or PET, and whether it's pre-cut or not. Let's start with this one. It's called Morning Blush. I want to be really careful unwrapping them because as a journaler, nothing goes to waste. I might reuse this paper later, and I also want to keep the round labels. I've seen some people collect them and I think that's such a clever idea. You just stick them in your journal and when you flip through it, you can easily remember which tapes you have. I might just use the help of a tweezer. Oops, I broke a little bit, but it's okay. I got a journal here, so I might as well just put them in now. I might need a tiny bit of glue around the corners. Put them here. I'll put it here so I know the brand in the future. Alright, let's carry on. Beautiful, very detailed. Wow, look at that. The pink one is called Peach Blossom and this one at the bottom is called Pastel Metal. They both have such a dreamy, soft pastel look, perfect for a spring-themed journal spread. And they both have releasing backings, making it super easy to use. And let's check out this one. And this one here is called Golden Haze. It's featuring soft yellow roses. I think it might be watercolor, I'm not sure. But either way, the details are just beautiful. The prints are so neat and clean as well. Let's have a look at them together. They'll be perfect for any floral themes or even just framing any pages of your journals. Beautiful, beautiful. So these three tapes are all 5 centimeters wide. I also received a few wider ones. Let's take a look at those. And which shall I choose? Maybe this one. This one here is called Urban Wanderers. Oh, and this one is a PET tape. Let's have a look. Wow, look at that. I have to take out a few white pages so I can show you better. It's got a modern artsy vibe with stylish girl sketches, and it's also pre-cut, making it super easy to use. And seems like it's got different seasons and weathers as well. So this one is more summery obviously, and this one is on a rainy day and a bluish wintry look with scarves, and this one has gloves on as well. And at the beginning we have some autumn colors as well. It's also got coats and smaller items for decorations as well, leaves, pancakes, and this one has laptop, handbag and seashells, etc. It even has little words and elements that are perfect for filling up spaces in your journal. And the lemons, oh my gosh, I love it. And next we have this Cupid Muse PET tape. This one is also a lot wider than the others, just to compare. And let's see what it looks like inside. This one is all about love and romance, perfect for Valentine's Day, or for memory keeping pages for you and your partner. There are some adorable scenes like couples dining under the tree, sitting in a boat with balloons, running in nature, decorating a Christmas tree, enjoy some cozy time by the campfire. This one is a PET version, pre-cut as well, and they also have a washi version if you prefer. I got this label a bit messy here, but it's not a big deal, is it? Super cute, just in time for Valentine's Day. Thank you, Washi Tape Shop. And here we have the Cats and Books PET tape, which is also a pre-cut. I have seen this design actually all over social media, so I can tell it's really popular, and I was so happy that I received it as well. Let me just move this so you have white background. It's got a vintage aesthetic with elements like old books, journals, antique furnitures, and of course cats. And there are even a few bookish quotes. I'm a book lover and also a cat lover, so I definitely have to use this in my reading journal. So beautiful. Put this one over here. Now this next one is really unique. It's called Mediterranean Tiles Washi Tape. Oh my gosh, I love it already. This one is a washi version, but I guess if it's a PET, it might be even more brighter for the patterns. But I love this soft look on the washi paper. It's very different and special. You don't see washi tapes like this often. The patterns are squares, so even though it's not pre-cut, it's still very easy to use. And look how big the patterns are. To compare with my hand and my journal. My journal is a Slim B6, so it's a quite small one. Just to give you an idea, I might save this one for a special project, maybe a DIY phone case or bookmark. It'll be perfect for some gift wrapping and card making as well. Just so many possibilities. Next, we have this Leisurely Days, another brand new release. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, it's another PET one. Oh, I like it. Wow. I could feel the vibe already. It's really leisurely, joyful and happy and relaxing. It's got a soft, sketchy style that I'm absolutely in love with. So nothing too strong, but still very lively, I guess. Oh, look at that. I think that's me sitting in a chair with my cat and flowers around me. Oh, that looks like my friend who has Bichon dog. Tea time with toast and biscuits. A cute golden retriever. And this one is funny on a scale. Oh, I like this one, the little sketchy hearts as well. And each of the heart is individually cut. Very nice. And it fits perfectly with my current soft and cozy lifestyle, or lifestyle I'm aiming to have. One thing I really like about the Washi Tape Shop is how frequently they release new designs. There's always something fresh to fall in love with. Although that might not be the best for my wallet. I'll put this one over here because the bottom three, they all have people figure in it. And lucky last, we have this gorgeous Imperial Glimmer PET tape. Wow, look at the colors already. Let me just open it. This one is inspired by Eastern cultures, featuring 10 stunning designs I think each of them represents a different region's culture. So I know this is Tibet for sure. And look at the details, and the colors are pretty solid, and if you put it on a page, it will pretty much cover it, which is even better. Beautiful and elegant, very special. I will put this one on here. Look at that. Alright, now we've unboxed everything, and you can tell the Washi Tape Shop really has a wide range of styles. And now let's move on to the journaling part. It's so hard to choose, but I think I'll use this leisurely days and maybe the cats and books to create a few pages on my reading journal. So this is my reading journal. I haven't been decorating it much. I've been just writing down some quotes and stuff. But I've been reading this book called Gentle Living, and it has really inspired me, so I'm going to make a few pages about it. I borrowed this book from the library, and I didn't know that there's lots of pictures in it. And in the beginning, it's got lots of drawings, sketches as well. And the Leisurely Days tape has kind of a similar style, so I think that will fit the vibe perfectly. While I do the pages, I just want to give a huge thank you to the Washi Tape Shop for sending me this amazing package. If you are interested in any of these tapes, feel free to check out the link in my description box below. And don't forget to use code KKSTAY10 for 10% off. I know some people love the traditional washi texture, while others prefer the glossy PET finish, so it's great that they offer both options. I love how most of their tapes are quite wide. It makes journaling so much easier since you don't end up with too much empty white space. I've written down some key thoughts and things to do that are inspired by gentle living. These are things that can make your life a little bit better. Things like sleep well, eat healthy, going out to the nature or on the water, grow something or plant a tree, eat outside, make your home nice, and stuff like that. So in the book, there's lots of ideas or little things to do to have a gentle lifestyle. And I've put down the things that suits me the most and also something that I want to do more. So now this page is completed and I'm super happy about it. I love the girl features and drawing style in this tape. Now I'm adding this page back to my reading journal and I love how it turned out. And that wraps up today's journaling project. I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried tapes from the Washi Tape Shop? Which ones are your favorites? If you haven't checked them out yet, trust me, you won't regret it. Be sure to use my affiliate link and discount code in the description below to save some % off. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on my upcoming journaling content. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye for now.